Hey guys, so check this out. SmallRig just made this little wireless monitor for smartphones. It attaches with MagSafe here to your phone or to a phone clamp, but the best part is actually wireless. So if I want to use the rear cameras, which obviously gives you much better image, I can remove this one because it's actually wireless up to 33 feet, and I can take a few steps back, make sure that I'm in frame, center frame, or however you want to frame yourself. Hide this in my pocket, trigger record with the included little Bluetooth remote control like this. Now I'm filming myself using the rear cameras, and I don't know, but I think that's pretty cool and something that will make smartphone filming or photography a whole lot easier. So hey there, today we're checking out SmallRig's new wireless smartphone monitor, and personally it's one of those real game changers for smartphone shooters and those of us who rely on our phones to get that extra angle, whether it's in our car with a suction cup mount to the windscreen or top-down shots where it's normally quite difficult to get up there and make sure your framing is perfect. So yeah, I do think it's an actual game changer. Now, first things first, the monitor is part of the Vlog kit, which also includes a telescopic selfie stick or selfie tripod, a MagSafe clamp, charging cable, and this tiny little Bluetooth remote. Now, the MagSafe on the clamp itself is actually super strong, and I'm pretty sure the phone will fall out long before the actual screen falls off or the monitor falls off. And while it's on the magnet like this, you can also rotate the monitor to match your orientation of your phone, which is another super duper handy feature. Pairing is done once by scanning the QR code on the monitor. On Samsung, use the native Smart View to mirror your screen, and AirPlay on iOS devices. No additional installations or apps needed. Now, on the monitor, we have a little 1/4-inch mounting thread here at the bottom. On this side, we have a power button that if you tap it twice, it will mirror flip the image. So depending on whether you're used to seeing yourself backwards or not backwards, you can use the power button, tap it twice, and the image will flip like that. We also got a little controller here for the screen brightness and a USB-C charging port, so there's not a whole lot to worry about actually. It's pretty straightforward. Now, speaking of USB charging, the built-in battery on the monitor itself has a capacity to last for up to 2 hours on peak brightness. Now, you could obviously dim it down a few snaps, and then you'll get, I don't know, 3.5 hours, maybe even 4 hours, depending on how bright you're running the monitor. Now, it's probably going to be worth pointing out at this point too that there's no touch functionality on the screen itself, but I get why it might feel a bit frustrating since you're seeing all your icons and everything here on the screen since it's mirrored from your phone. If you want to trigger recording or take a still remotely, you can use the included little Bluetooth remote, and it works fantastic. The big button is for those clumsy iPhone users, and the smaller one is for us more refined and civilized Android users. Now, speaking of the screen, it has a brightness of about 400 nits, which if you compare it to something like, I just happen to have this here, this OC G7 Pro, which have a 3000 nit brightness, 400 might seem a little weak, but given the fact that you're only using the screen for checking your framing, that sort of stuff, it actually works surprisingly well. Even in bright daylight. I've taken it to the beach, I've taken it everywhere, and never have I experienced difficulties to actually see the screen, even during bright daylight. Now, the whole kit sells for about $65, and there's gonna be a link below. Well, it's already there, but hang on, hang on just a second. Let me just wrap this up. So personally, I think $65 is very, very reasonable considering we're getting the monitor, we're getting the selfie tripod, we're getting the clamp with MagSafe and the Bluetooth remote and charging cable. But also, if we just consider the impact something like this will have on all of those people out there using their smartphone, whether it's for content creations or vacation shots, stills or video. But I mean, just imagine you being at the Eiffel Tower. You no longer need to hand over your phone to a complete stranger. You could do that all by yourself with this kit. So yeah, personally, I think it's gonna rock a lot of people's worlds. So check it out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, goodbye, sir.